So hello everyone, welcome to RX Engineering. So in this video we are going to see the connection of this RC speedboat. If you want to make this boat, then I already upload a video on how to build it. I will provide the video link on the description, or you can simply click the I button to watch it. In the old speedboat I used a normal DC motor, which is why the boat was not running as fast as I want. So I replaced the motor with this Bldc motor and now it runs very fast as I expected. So you can see here I am using one 2200 kV Bldc motor, one 6-inch propeller which is a Tri Blade Propeller, and for power supply I am using one 1500 mAh lithium polymer battery, and I am also using one flysky FS i6 2.4 GHz radio transmitter and receiver. So let's see the connection.